aviation enthusiasts. This is Professor Avram Aerospace, and good to know in aviation. Today, we are going to discuss about data sources, and reference document is FAA Advisory Circular AC 120-17, and subsection is 5.2.6, Evaluation of Data Sources. As per this section, Note 1. Primary data elements should be used as the main data source for analysis by the operator to substantiate an effective task interval. Note 2. Secondary data sources should be used to further support or validate analysis conclusions, or when further investigation is warranted. This data should not be used as the sole source for determining time limitations of a task. Operators may identify additional data sources for analysis. Number 1. Systems tasks, excluding FEC 8 and 9. Primary data, in-service operational data, and secondary data, routine task findings. Number 2. Propulsion tasks, excluding FEC 8 and 9. In-service operational data and routine task findings. Number 3. Structures tasks, routine task findings, and secondary data, in-service operational data. Number 4. Zonal tasks, routine task findings, and in-service operational data. Number 5. FEC 8 and 9 tasks, routine task findings, or sampling at proposed interval. FEC 8 only, MSG-derived functional failure data, or expand dataset, or previous accomplishment of task. Number 6. EZAP or EWIS tasks, routine task findings, and in-service operational data. Number 7. Lube tasks, volume of consumables, rates or sampling at proposed interval, and or degree of wear noted on component teardown reports, and operational reliability data. And number 8. Filter tasks, analysis of remaining life at current interval, or sampling at proposed interval, operational reliability data. And this is the evaluation of data sources, as per AC 120-17.
Again, thank you very much for watching our videos. Please support us. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Buy our books about aviation reliability, which now available on Amazon.com. We are planning to have a lot of interesting contents on aircraft reliability, aircraft safety, etc. Again, thank you very much for your support. See you next time. Bye.